video. You guys back with another video. Today I wanted to talk about basically my personal experience and ways to know if you're really made to be an individual stock investor. Not to say that I'm like an expert, that I'm amazing, that I'm, Warren Buffett or anything, but I've done well. It could all be luck. It could totally be luck, the past 5-6 years. But at the very least, I can say that I enjoy it, and I consistently enjoy it. So I'd say the number one factor, whether you're made for investing, is whether bear markets, especially long-term bear markets, basically turn you off and completely destroy your interest in stocks and in buying stocks. This one, and when you think about it, it's pretty obvious, because the best time to buy a stock is when it's down. But I know that feeling that a lot of people get, and I think everybody gets, has to wrestle with their emotions in investing to an extent. At this point, a lot of the time I enjoy it, especially if it's a stock I have very high conviction in. I enjoy it when it goes down. I get excited to continue buying it, especially if it's at, really cheap valuations. Like an example, probably the biggest example in recent memory, like very recent memory, was CRISPR Therapeutics. Because I just feel like, when it was near its lows a few months ago, it had like a price to book ratio of 2. Like it had so much cash, there was no way it was going to go bankrupt. They could totally, if they wanted to, they could raise money, because their valuation is higher than the amount of cash that they need. So that one I was excited. I regret not buying more when it was lower. I still think it's very attractive in terms of risk reward. It's the most attractive of all the CRISPR companies, because they just have so much cash. But anyways, I'm digressing a little bit. But that's number one, is being willing to continue to do research, be excited about investing when we're in a long-term downturn. What are some of the other ones? I would say for me, the second one is just like being addicted to doing research. When I find a stock I'm interested in, I think I'm kind of curious in my nature, but also once we're talking about my money, and that combined with business and science sometimes, I get addicted to looking up information about a lot of these companies. So that's number 2. So really that's all I wanted to say for this video. Leave some comments. What do you think? What do you think are some of the most necessary traits for an investor, especially an individual stock investor? I don't care if you disagree with me. I like that. But if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe. See you next video.